Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the blue Snowball mic. Let's get right to it. Okay, let's open this. Ooh. So really nice packaging. All the details on the back. Let's open up and see what's inside. There. Okay, set that in there. Okay, I'm assuming. Okay, yes. So here is the mic itself. It looks really awesome. Blue logo. And in this box, right over here, guessing the tripod stand or the stand for the mic. Oops, okay. Just open that up like that. Okay, power cable, or yeah, it connects to the computer. Okay, and stand, yes. That what comes in the box. Let's get to the review. So first off, let's talk about the build quality. The mic itself is built with plastic, but honestly, I really don't mind because it is built with high quality plastic. The mic tripod that it comes with is very sturdy and stable and is made out of aluminum. Now let's talk about the specs. The mic itself is about 2 pounds and the frequency response is 40 to 18 kilohertz. The instructions come in English and in Spanish. And it's Skype Certified, whatever that means. The 6-foot long cable it comes with is USB 2.0, but is compatible with 3.0. Hey guys, I'm about 6 inches away from the mic, facing the front. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm using my computer's built-in mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, the Snowball is much better than the built-in computer mic. Final thoughts. For audio quality, I would give it a 7 out of 10. For build quality, I would give it an 8 out of 10. And for the price point, I would give it 10 out of 10. So that was the review. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.